everyone, welcome to my mathematics class. My name remains Chizzy. Today, we are going to look at significant figures. What do I mean by significant figure? Significant figures are figures that have value in any given numbers. They are also the non-zero digit. Zero after the non-zero digit are not considered as significant, but are put there to show the real value of the number. If a number begins with zero, those zero are considered to be non-significant, but they are put there to show the real value of the number. All right, look at this number we have here. Round the following to four significant figures. We have this number here. Solution. Okay, look at number one here. We have 53,126. We are going to round it up to four significant figures. So what we are going to do, we are going to count 4. From here, from this number, we count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we check the number following. Is it up to 5? Yes. So what we are going to do is to round it up and add 1 here. When you add 1 here, it becomes 3. So what we have is 5, 3, 1, 3. This is the second number. 0.67627. We are going to round them to 4 significant figures. We'll start from our decimal point to count 4 figures. All right, from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Check the number that is following. Is it up to 5? Yes. We round it up and add 1 here. It becomes 3. So what we have is 0.6763. The next number, we have 0.00206173. The first 20 that is following these numbers are not considered to be significant, so we are not going to count them. The 0 that is at the back is considered to be significant. We are starting from 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Look at where we stop here. And the next number that is following is up to 5. Add it here, it becomes what? 2. So we have 0.002062. So look at the last number we have here. We have 0.036152. 0.036152. So when we look at this number, remember I told you the first 0 is not considered to be significant. So we are not starting from this 0. We are starting to count from here. 3, the real number. Starting from here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The next number following is not up to 5. So we are not adding anything here. It remains what? 5. So what we have? We have 0.03615. Now do this. Round the following to 4 significant figures. Round these numbers and this number to 4 significant figures. Submit it to the comment section. I believe you understand my lesson very well. Please, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, follow my Facebook page for more interesting lessons. Thank you very much and God bless. Bye.